Right, parallel first, and then through the focal point that's along. 3 down 1. It's a bit wonky. Next one, let's go through the center of the lens. That's along 4 down 1. Seems to intersect there. Let's do another ray that goes through the focal point and then parallel. So my intersection point is there. My intermediate image. It's scruffy. Next rays, I'm going to do one from the focal point through the image. It's going to get to the lens there and then go parallel. Trace it back. Next one I'm going to do through the center of the lens, trace it back. Sort of this way like this. And they intersect there. So my one image will be here. And the initial size is 1, it's a little square. The intermediate image is 3 little squares, and the final image is 8. Is it 8? No. 9. And the distance to the lens, if that is centimeters, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters.